Good evening. I'm Harshat, and my teammates are Harshita Kalal, and Harshak RK. So we are here to present the fashion store front page, and I am presenting the introduction part of this topic. So here we got this. A fashion store front page serves as the first impression of a clothing brand and plays a key role in attracting customers. It showcases the store's style, theme, and latest trends in a visually appealing way. Designing a fashion store front page requires creativity, proper layout selection, attracting colors, stylish fonts, and eye-catching images. A well-designed front page helps highlighting new arrivals, discounts, and brand identity, making customers curious to explore more. Therefore, creating an effective fashion store front page is an important skill that combines creativity, design principles, and presentation. So it was the introduction, and next part will be presented by Harsha.
Hello everyone. Coming to problem statements, in today's competitive fashion industry, attracting customers requires more than just quality products. It demands an appealing and engaging visual presentation. Many fashion stores struggle to create an attractive front page that effectively highlights their identity, showcases new collections, and captures customer attention. Challenging is to design a creative, well-organized, and visually appealing fashion store front page that communicates the store's style, prom, pro- promotes key products, and encourages customers to explore further. This project aims to develop such a front page using appropriate design elements, color schemes, images, and layout techniques. If you want, I can do also. Thank you.
So my topic is about objectives to create an attractive and visually appealing front page that captures customer attachment glance to showcase the brand identity through font colors, size, design, and elements that match the fashion store's theme. To highlight key products, offers, and new arrivals in an organized and eye-catching materials. To design a clear and user-friendly layout that makes information easy to read and understand. To apply creativity and designing principles to develop a professional-looking fashion store page. To improve presentation skills by experimenting with images, typography, and design styles. This is our result and output. Next, software and hardware requirements will be started by Kalal. Mike.
Today I am explaining software requirement, graphical design software, audio, Photoshop, audio, instruction control, DRAW, Conway, image editing tools, VX, GIMP, PhotoPay, document presentation tools, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs, slides, library offers. System requires uh, good quality display stability internet connection for online tools like Canva or say, Flip, Flipma. Next conclusion. Design a fashion store front page is an essential creativity task that helps build a store visual identification for the brand. Through the use of attractive layouts, applying colors, styling front pages, and well closed design, the front page can efficiently capture customer action and highlighting the latest trends or offers. This activity enhance creativity, design skills, and understanding of presentation techniques. A well-designed front page not only improves the overall look of the store but also encourages the customer to explore more, making it a visible tool in promoting fashion product. This is our presentation. Thank you.
Thank